Alright folks, I'm going to show you how to properly charge the AC system on any vehicle with one of these little $30 charge cans that you get from AutoZone, Advance, Walmart, any auto parts store. It's very simple. It has all the instructions in there, but I'm going to just show you a quick way to actually, so you can see actually somebody putting it in there. So the first thing you want to do is you want to remove the sealer that's in here. Alright, so you want to move this, because now what you're going to do is you're going to actually puncture and open the can when you put this in there. That little dot in the middle here, it's going to puncture the can, and now you're going to actually have refrigerant going through the lines. Alright, so there it is. It's on there. Now you want to find your low side or your suction side of your compressor or your line, which is going to be your small port, which is right here on this vehicle. Most of the time they're going to be sitting next to each other, maybe one here, one here. It's going to be the one that's always getting cold and wet. The other one, as you can see, the hose is not going to fit into it, so you can't get it wrong. See, that one, the hose will not fit into it. There's no way it's going in there. This one, as you can see, the hose went right into it. Very simple. Turn your air conditioner on in your vehicle to the maximum with the fan blowing on the maximum. You press the trigger here, and just vibrate your can from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock until the can is empty or until your system shows fully charged, which will be somewhere in that green. As you can see, this system is still a little bit low, so yeah, sometimes it's going to take more than one can, depending on how big your system is. This is a V6 engine, so it's got a pretty big air conditioner system in it, so it's probably going to take a pound, 12 ounces. As you can see, pound, 12 ounces. There's only 20 ounces in here, so obviously there's not enough in here to completely fill the system up. So we're going to install some more. When you first start putting it in the system, you're going to hear your compressor cutting on and off right here. See how it cuts on? And it'll eventually cut right back off. There it goes. Alright, you're going to see that, and it's going to do that real quick when you're first filling it up. Just keep filling it up until it gets to the green. Once you got a good green line in there, then that's when you know you're done. Okay, like I said, this system still needs a little bit more. What you want to do is you're filling it in every 10-15 seconds. Depress the trigger, let it go, turn your can the whole time. You have to turn your can sideways. If you don't, you're going to damage your system. Okay, rotate the can. You don't have to do it fast. You just want to make sure that you're rotating it, and at the same time you're pressing on the trigger, and you release the trigger every 10 to 15 seconds for a couple of seconds. Alright, that's all there is to it, folks. Good cooling.